Welcome to the channel. In 2025, humanoid robots will move from science fiction to reality, transforming factories and homes worldwide. Imagine robots handling industrial tasks and assisting with daily chores. This future is just around the corner. Let's explore how humanoid robots will reshape industries and everyday life. Humanoid robots look and move like humans, designed to interact naturally. Thanks to rapid advances in AI and robotics, companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla are developing smarter, more versatile robots suited for real-world tasks. In factories, these robots will boost productivity by taking on repetitive and dangerous tasks, reducing human error and increasing safety. They'll handle demanding jobs, adapt to different production lines, and learn over time. At home, humanoid robots will assist with chores like cleaning, cooking, and caregiving. Equipped with AI, they'll learn family routines, help with tasks, and even offer companionship, making daily life easy. Challenges such as high costs, reliability, and job displacement remain. While robots promise efficiency, they raise concerns about employment and affordability, requiring thoughtful policies and workforce adaptation. Despite these concerns, humanoid robots offer enormous potential, enhancing safety, reducing workloads, and giving us more time to focus on meaningful activities. The future will be about collaboration, not replacement. By 2025, robots will be everywhere, from factory floors to living rooms. How they shape our world will depend on how we embrace and integrate them. Are you ready?